Back down. Blue side.
Same red.
Move him, Jaden, move him.
Unless you take it out now, don't do it.
We got it.
Blue's down.
Jesus fuck.
More drop your.
What side are we starting on?
The same side we did last.
Green side.
And Steve is slowly killing hit.
I'm ranging the healers over here.
I'm coming for you.
Shit, sorry, Arch.
It's okay. I'd rather have it over there, dude. You're good.
I've got a fixate on me. Do you want me to do anything or keep mine in the middle?
Just keep yours in the. Alright, everyone go ahead and switch to X. Except for who's supposed to stay on with the tank.
Foreman's down.
Alright, Prime was open.
Kill.
Alright, get him down, guys. Everyone should be on skull. Group 1 should have already potted.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Nice.
Five, 4,
Alright, Arch, go ahead and take yours to skull.
1.
Warren Bastion is about dead.
One right by it's about to go down.
Just bring it over here. Doesn't matter. I'll move.
It's open, it's open.
4, 3,
Go, go, go.
2,
Alright, group 2, go ahead and pot. Alright, get it down, guys.
Nice.
Shrinking. Can I get fucked? Alright, someone get to the next one.
2, 1.
I gotta fix that on me, move to it.
No. Have Art.
Heading that way.
Sin, stay on the tank.
Got it.
Mark the skull, please.
It's down. Get him.
Get skull.
5,
Group 3.
Go, go, go.
1.
Steve.
Down.
Hell yeah.
More.
Keep moving.
Oh, help with the ads.
I'm on fire callers again.
Yeah. Bash and Sin.
I'm on him.
Morg, take yours to the guy.
Got it.
Okay, ads are good. You ready to go on skull?
You ready to move on? Yep.
It's open.
All right, everyone,
Kill him.
get it down. We need it down in this one shot.
2, 1.
Bridget, do some DPS on the skull.
Get another fix it near, just in case. Down.
Nice.
Everyone get by blue.
Get these ads under control. Come on.
Bash, drop your thing.
It's on cooldown.
Remember, don't stand behind the tanks.
Steve,
Watch out for the big brown puddles, guys.
3, 2, 1.
Still need security, never mind. $50 on a.
Come on, guys. Put that brown shit to the side.
tanks, Dragonfall.
I hear good
All
enough.
right, good. Trankin. Range, get to a side. Dragon tank.
I'm down.
Yeah.
My bad.
Come on, we got it. We got it.
Only 15 million. Then get ready to go blood and taunt.
You got it.
$10 mil. Hit that raging cock cooldown. Guess in.
Sin, grab.
Goes in.
I got it. He's got no taunt on his bar.
Morg. Alright, Steve.
2 mil.
Hold it. You fucking warrior, you better hold it.
Fucking done it.
Holy shit, baby!
Oh my god, fuck that boss.
Hell yeah.
Fuck
Look.
that fucking boss.
10 minutes. We could have lusted again. Or, we, we started from the beginning,
Two-handed
yeah.
for fucking Bash, baby.
Hey, Bash, that was some fucking good tanking.
Good fucking job. Yeah. God damn it, fuck this boss.
Hey,
It's the time to retire.
Arch, you need to shut the fuck up after that, you damn naysayer.